So wealthy people do several things. One, they have a past in their life of working extremely hard to make a lot of money. They make a lot of decisions that are based upon time and money. Money and time are related. They invest that time or money into things that make them more money without working harder. They own a business themselves. They invest in other businesses, many businesses. They understand about compound interest. They save. They spend little, and they give to charity. They hire or delegate or work with other people. They leverage systems, processes, and resources that they don't have, and they take full advantage of those things. They hang out with other successful people, and they just enjoy talking about money and success, and they also teach others. Those are some of the characteristics of wealthy people that I understand.